Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about using cloud-based services to backup your vault or data. So we have covered a little bit of information in the last video about this particular concept. In this video, we are going to do some deep dive on this topic. Using cloud-based services, it is not recommended that you keep your vault location in your chosen backup service. Keeping your backup in the cloud is an alternative and complement to physical data storage. Instead of an external hard disk or USB stick, an external hard drive or USB stick can be lost or damaged. The biggest advantage of storing files in the cloud is that they are available anytime, anywhere. The downside is most backup services are owned by a private company. So in the last video, we have discussed that you can copy your data to two external hard drives. If you have two external hard drives, you can copy the data to two external hard drives. Let's say if you have only one external hard drive, in this case, you copy the data to one external hard drive and you also copy the data to cloud platforms like Google Drive or something. So in this presentation, what I'm trying to convey is that let's say you copied all the data to your two external hard drives or three external hard drives and you did not copy your data to cloud platform for whatever reason. In this case, there is a lot of risk because let's say, for example, there is some kind of if there is some kind of flooding, let's say there is some kind of flooding or there is some kind of big issue or cyclone or whatever it is, or if it could be some other reason, maybe the hard disk that you have in your bag, maybe the bag is stolen or something, then you will lose data. You will lose all your Obsidian Vault or data. In this case, it is really recommended to copy all the data to any cloud platform. It could be Google Drive or Google platform or OneDrive or whatever it is. So in the worst case scenario, if something happens to all your physical hard disk or flash drives, the data will be available on the cloud and you can retrieve the data from the cloud platforms. But in terms of security, you should always pay close attention to access and security with cloud backups. World Backup Day keeps an up-to-date list of online backup services to consider using. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are copying the data to correct cloud platforms. You should not copy the cloud, you should not copy your data to some cloud platforms which are not so famous. So Google Cloud Platform is very famous, Amazon Web Services is also very famous, and also Microsoft Azure is also very famous cloud platforms. But if you want to, there are many cloud platforms like Fujitsu cloud platform, there are IBM cloud platforms. So many cloud platforms are there, but these are the top three. One is Amazon Web Services, the other one is Google Cloud, and the third one is Azure. So you can check whichever is suitable for your budget and your requirement, and you can copy the data to those platforms. And you can also consider Dropbox or OneDrive, all these platforms as well. So use external drives, hard drives and SSD drives. External hard drive backups are still valuable in increasing cloud-based world and are mainly used for data storage and computer backups. The biggest disadvantage of an external hard drive is that drive can be break down or get lost. The biggest advantage is that storage space only needs to be purchased once. Using an external hard drive is often combined with a computer backup. So the biggest advantage is that storage space only needs to be purchased once. Using an external hard drive is often combined with a computer backup. So you just need to copy the data to your external hard drive and you don't have to pay for it because you just copied all the data to your external hard drive. Now let's go to the next page. USB flash drives or flash drives, also called thumb drives, memory sticks or pen drives, are a simple and effective method for quick backups. Insert the flash drive into your computer or laptop. Ensure the device is recognized and mounted to your file system. If necessary, format the flash drive to be compatible with your file system. Copy your vault folder from its current location to the flash drive safely. Unmount the flash drive, remove the flash drive from your device. So you basically insert this to your USB slots on your computer or laptop. Go to the vault folder, whether you have saved it on desktop or documents or wherever it is. Right click on the folder, send it to these external flash drives. If your external drive contains sensitive information, it is recommended to keep the external drive secure, such as in a secure room. So if your data is really secure, maybe you're working on some, you're working for a very famous industry which is very which has a lot of sensitive data, and if you want to keep your data safe and secure, you please make sure that you send the data to an external drive securely and save it in a secure room. You save it in a secure room. If you think that the data is really secure and it is very sensitive, then think about it. Please make sure that you copy the data to only to your external hard drives. If the data is not so sensitive, then you can also upload it onto your cloud platforms. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.